In a world where sneezes ruled, Tim discovered his nose had a mind of its own. "Why do you sneeze so much?" asked his friend Lucy. "It's my nose's way of saying hello to pollen," Tim replied, chuckling. One day, Tim's nose decided to rebel. Achoo! It sneezed at the sight of a flower painting. "Seriously?" Lucy laughed. "Even art makes you sneeze now?" Tim shrugged. "I guess my nose is an art critic." As they walked past a bakery, Tim's nose twitched. "Achoo! What's wrong now?" Lucy asked. "Apparently, my nose is gluten-free." Tim grinned.